Hello guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. Not in today's newspaper because it's today's Sunday actually. It's the Saturday's edition, yeah. Yesterday's edition, March the 18th, 2023. I've already solved 3 puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku and the binary. So one is left. It's a Tectonic with 4 stars. Number 6141. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 14 printed digits, and it's indicated with 4 stars. So I need to be for 4 stars puzzle. I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Do we have here in this puzzle dual boxes? Well, we have 1 dual box, contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Triple boxes. Do we have here triple box? Oh no, another dual box, contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and the 2. Triple boxes, then we have 1 triple box, contains the 1, the 2, the 3. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. I need to wait. Need more information, insufficient information. But when you see a triple box, remember that the middle box, the box near the middle box, this is the middle box, the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, well, we have a 5 in the same area, so this box can't be a 5 anymore. This box should be a 4 then. Alright, more triple boxes. No. Quadra boxes then. I see here quadra box. Only 1 quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Cannot fill those numbers. I need to wait. Alright. Then my next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, let me see. Let me draw the L shape. We have an L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes? Yeah. This box has the same number as that box. Upside down, the L shape. So in this case, it's a 5. More L shapes? Yeah. Rotated, this box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Wait. More L shapes? Nope. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? When you see this kind of shape, remember. Go too high, yes. Remember, if you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Alright, do we have more of this kind of shape? Yeah, here. Another one. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one mirrored. Here. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? Nope. Only 3 of them. Yeah, so this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Yeah. when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. Right. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3 shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Maximum are 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this quad bar box should be there. Then wait. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. I should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. Then. Well, these 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be 1, but also that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. This box can be 1. This box can be 2, so the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there, so 1 digit left in this triple box for number 3. 3 to 4, okay. This box can be 1, this box can be 2, so the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, so 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for number 3. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, surround 1. This box can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. This box should be a 2. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Is connected with this box, should be also a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be 1. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. Then. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be there. 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5, well, I cannot place the 3 there because we have a double 3 there. If I place the 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 should be there, and the 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. It should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3, 5. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then 3 and 5. Let me think. 3. 2 numbers left in this quarter box for numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Alright, that means that this box cannot be a 3 or a 4 because we have a double 4 there, double 3 there. If I place a 3 or 4 here, I cannot fill any 3 or any 4 in those two boxes. So the 3 and the 4 goes in these two boxes in this cross area. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. So 1 digit left in this cross area for number 2. These two boxes can be 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 2. And so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box, oh wait, this box can be a 5. This box can be a 4. So the 4 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. So I've eliminated the 2 there, so the 2 should be there. Alright. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be a 3, we have a double 3 there, can be a 4, we have a double 4 there, and it can be a 5, so yeah, definitely a 1. 2. Well, 1, 3. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be a 3 or a 4 because we have a double 3 there and double 4 there, and can be a 5, yeah. Definitely double a 2. 3 and a 4. Okay. 2. Well. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 4. We have a double 4 there, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These two, wait, yeah, need to wait. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Need a 4 here, need a 4. Well, we have 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. That means that this box should be a 5 then, because it can be 1, can be 2, can it be a 3 or a 4? We have a double 3 there and double 4 there, so 1 digit left should be the 5 then. Alright, okay. This box can be a 5, so the 5 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. So 1 is left in this L-shaped area for number 3. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. Now we have 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. I marked those two boxes earlier with a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 4 and a 5. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. The 5 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 5. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 4 and the 5. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 3 and the 4. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there, and I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 4 there. That means that these two boxes can be a 4. If I place a 4 here or there, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there, and I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. These two boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. And it's connected with that box should be also 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 4 goes and there. Almost finished, almost finished. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes at there. Finish in 16 minutes. Well, 16. Pleased with the time. So is this really a 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes, so I'm very well pleased with the time. So, thumbs up if you like this, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening with the Samurai Sudoku. So until then, bye bye for now.